channel. Today, something very exciting. We're going to show you how to choose and pick the right snowblower for you. We've teamed up with Cub Cadet, and we're going to show you A, how easy it is to get one of these, B, how easy it is to learn how to operate one of these, and C, just how to get the right one for you. I can't remember what movie it was, like the Griswolds or whatever, but like, you know, when they come out with that big snowblower, you're like, yeah, and your neighbor's all, oh my gosh, I wish I had that snowblower, as the kids are shoveling. So Eric, today we're going to talk about 3 different kinds of snowblowers. You guys, these snowblowers are all available. It's called My Dealer Direct. You go to Cub Cadet's website, you're able to just click and choose one of these units, and then all of a sudden you make the payment right there, and you will get a dealer contacting you, and within days you'll have one of these delivered by a dealer to your door, assembled, set up, ready to go. They come to your house, they will give you an overview of how to operate it, what you need to do, and leave it with you. And I mean, it's that simple. It's, you know, something like this, because you say, oh, I ordered a snowblower online. I mean, people order everything online these days, right?
Oh, yeah.
So ordering a Cub Cadet snowblower is awesome because you get the added value of the My Dealer Direct experience. So Eric, knowing that the My Dealer Direct experience out there, I mean, before knowing this information, would you have ordered online? And
probably not, because it's something you get. It's like, okay, am I gonna have to assemble this thing? How many parts are? Which directions like? And I just feel like it can be a pain in the butt. You know what I mean?
Right.
You know, where if I go to a store, I've got everything. But after seeing this and hearing about it, I would actually do it because I like the fact that I can just go online, I can pick the model I want, I have someone come over, it's already assembled, they're going to show me all the ins and outs to the thing, and I can go from there.
Yeah,
so I do like that aspect of it.
Right, and then honestly, that's better service than a car dealer.
You know,
unless you use Carvana, I think they deliver the car to you now or something.
No, don't you have to go to some like cash station thing?
Oh, put that coin in?
Put the coin in and
maybe.
Stuff. And like,
yeah,
what
you're
are they
right.
called?
It's
like
the car vending machine.
Vending machine, yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I would buy a car like that, a used car especially.
No way. Is it actually
real? You get a big coin and you go.
Where do you get a big coin for? Is it like next to the big
You
checks?
buy a car. Yeah, I guess. But anyways, you guys, it's a simple experience. It's great. So, which snowblower is right for you, right? Mm-hmm. Alright, well, first the stages, guys. Basically, it's just as simple as stage 1. Just a one stage just has a paddle, right? It actually drives the unit forward, and that same paddle motion moves really fast. It scrapes up the snow and shoots it out of the chute here. Basically, the paddles are made out of rubber, so you're not doing any damage to whatever you're snow blowing on. A 2-stage is more of your heavier snow situation, something like that. 2 stages have been around for a long time. You know, they're tried. These were the originals, the 1 stage and the 2 stage. These are meant for the smaller, you know, 1 to 6-inch snowfalls. I mean, you could do a bigger snowfall. You're just going to have to do it multiple times. But 1 to 6s, these things are awesome. Not that much snow, these things are awesome. When you get into those heavier snow belt areas, that's when you're going to want to go into a 2-stage. Basically, what a 2-stage does is goes along and augers in the snow to a fast blade, which shoots it out the chute here. Obviously, you can see differences. This is a whole metal chute. This machine probably weighs twice as much as the stage 1 machine, but you're looking at 30-inch width, right? Which is huge. Most sidewalks, no problem.
Yep.
Just go right through it. You also have a drive system on here. You also have chute controls, heated grips, the whole 9 yards. This is really a luxury snowblower. Light on the front. Next, you guys, they have, which is kind of recent to market, right? You've heard about the 3-stage. We did one a long time ago. Is the 3-stage. And basically what the 3-stage is just imagine a 2-stage, but with another fan in the front. Auger. Not fan, but an auger in the front. So basically it hits the snow and starts chewing it up right away, feeds it to the augers, which, you know, ramp the snow, whatever, into the 3rd stage, which is the auger that shoots it up and out, and then up and out. And this one, you guys, is a 3-stage, and it also has just a bunch of features on it. Also, I don't know if it's the heated grips, but power steering left and right. This center one we're going to have another video on. It actually has fuel injection, if you can believe that.
Yeah, and one of the biggest differences too is like I think you might have touched on it. This one, the paddle kind of pulls it forward. This one actually has like a drivetrain kind of, so you can actually control the speed of it. You can go faster, slower, and it's actually the wheels that are actually turning. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I mean, you get a workout with both. It's just, you know, which one do you want? Do you want the pushing of the snow, wrangling that thing around, or do you want to maneuver this thing around, you know, which is pretty simple, but it is also heavy, you know? So a little bit more.
Yeah, like if you got a small lot, like for mine, this would be perfect. The only thing is, you know, it'd be nice to have something like that. You know, like when the snowplow comes and they put that, you know, 3-foot pile at the end.
Right.
Something like that's really nice to have.
Yeah.
To dig through that.
Oh yeah, exactly. You know, that's when you always, because when they plow at the end and it turns into ice the next day. Every day after a snowstorm, it always gets freezing cold.
I know.
Isn't that crazy?
But especially on your property too, because you've got that long straight road, I feel like you get, I'm 2 blocks off of the main section, so they don't have a ton of push bottom snow. But you, I mean, they can come and get a nice good 3-4 feet by the end of your driveway.
I know,
So something like that would be cool to, you know, jam through all that.
Yeah, and that's what's cool about these 2-stage and 3 stages, just the capacity of them, right? You could wait, I mean, with this one, you could probably, I mean, you could do right up to here. I don't know how tall that is, but let's say that's 14 inches. You know, 14 inches, you can wait for the snow to be done, and you just go out with this thing. To me, that's the most satisfying time to snow blow. I hate going out every few inches because it just doesn't feel satisfying. You're leaving these little piles. It's so nice to go out when the snow is done, it's clear sky, and you just fire this baby up and then just, you know, go to town and I don't know. That to me is...
See, I'm totally opposite. I actually love going out when it's snowing out because it's quiet and there's something calming and peaceful about it. And I like just going out. Nobody's out, and you know.
Yeah.
I mean,
I'll go
so something
shovel.
like that would be for me.
Yeah, I'll shovel like the little areas that need shoveling in the snow.
Yeah.
But yeah, to me, I just love going through it. So.
But Cub Cadet's been around for a while. I mean, we've done some of their mowers. We talked about my grandfather's had one. You've had experience. That was your first mower, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was my first mower. My first zero-turn Kawasaki powered Cub Cadet. Yeah, Cub Cadet owned by MTD. You guys, great brand to be in. And we actually saw them at GIE this year.
Yeah, we did.
And man, are they going into the commercial?
Dude, it's
like
amazing,
huge.
isn't it?
Huge, yeah. They've just like expanded into crazy stuff, and we got a lot more cool stuff coming from them. Stuff that you wouldn't even expect that Cub Cadet would throw out there, but it's just definitely a brand name to, you know, your grandfather had that Cub Cadet, and it still runs. And you know, basically in this modern day and age of the internet, you're able to now one click and build that relationship with your dealer and have a great machine to take care of your winter needs.
Yeah.
Wow, that was well said.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
You gotta close it out from there, man.
I know.
There's nowhere else to go. Once you're on top, you gotta stay out there.
Right? I know.
You can't go any farther.
All right, guys, peace out. Check it out. Don't forget hashtag TI Crew wherever you go. The My Dealer Direct experience, and go to cubcadet.com to see more. All right, guys. So we've ordered our snowblower online, and then all of a sudden the doorbell rings, and who do we have? Ralph from Ralph Helming. And
hello, everyone.
Ralph, how long have you been a Cub Cadet dealer?
Well, we started out with Cub Cadet back when they first became Cub Cadet. My grandfather opened his dealership back in 1923, and then they took on International Harvester, which then split off to become Cub Cadet. So
cool. And I mean, you know more about Cub Cadet than probably anybody, correct?
well, I would like to think that I know pretty much all there is to know, but
okay, cool. And then this new dealer direct thing, because I mean, I'm just a consumer. I ordered it online, and basically now this unit arrives right here, all assembled, right? So you've gone through this unit, everything, it's
this
ready to
unit
roll.
is set and ready to go. And that's the beauty of the online dealer, what they call the e-dealer program, is the fact that you don't have to come into the dealership anymore. You can, from your home, research it, order it. I get the order online, I respond, let you know that I'm going to be coming out to deliver it. We set a time, we set it up, we service it, bring it out, show you how to use it, and basically you never leave your home.
That's pretty amazing. I mean, they finally come to one click online and I can get a snowblower delivered.
Without having to unload it from a truck and put it together yourself and try and figure out by reading the manual, what am I supposed to do?
Yeah, that's crazy, crazy. So what'd you bring us today?
All right, well, what we have here is Cub Cadet's 3X model. This is our 26-inch. It does come in other sizes. 3X means that it's a 3-stage snowblower, something that Cub Cadet has developed. It, instead of the standard 2X or 2-stage snowblower, it has this third stage which helps meter the snow back to the auger, which throws it out. It avoids a lot of the clogging and buildup that people have with heavy wet snows. Cool.
And then if I have any kind of problem with this unit, I just give you a call, right?
Absolutely.
And then you come back, pick it up, and so I mean, we're gonna have a relationship as long as I own this product, pretty much.
Correct. Your relationship with my dealership is the same as if you had just walked in off the street like the old time customers used to do. So this unit comes with a warranty that covers defects in workmanship and material. You have any problems, you simply dial me up, say, hey Ralph, I'm having problems. I'll send my driver out, we'll pick it up, take it back, get it fixed, bring it back to you. Okay, so when you buy it online, there are two options. The options are, number one, picking it up in the store. So we'd have the unit ready for you. You come in. So if it's a smaller hand mower, or if you do have the ability to pick it up yourself, it does save you a little bit of money. Or like I said, with just a click, you can have the unit delivered just like you see it here, all set and ready to go. First of all, people want to know how to start it. I mean, that makes sense. So we've got a key right here that simply goes in and you know, gets the machine ready for starting. You've got your throttle, you've got your choke, you've got your primer here. Then this unit comes standard with an electric start. So with a typical outdoor extension cord, you simply plug it in here and push the button. Once it starts, you release it. Once it's warmed up, you unplug it and the unit's set and ready to go. But it does come with a backup pull start. So in case we're in the middle of a storm, power's out, you have a way of starting it. So we give it a nice easy pull. It starts. Depending on temperature, you slowly take the choke off. And then once the engine can run smoothly with the choke off, you're ready to go. This unit comes standard with 6 speeds forward, 2 in reverse. This is the heated handle model, so pushing this button up while the engine's running.
Those are nice.
Yes, yes, especially if you have a large drive and going to be out there for quite a while. This lever here controls your spout up and down. Depending on how windy it is, if you have it like this, you're going to get the maximum blowing distance. But if you have to blow into the wind, it's going to throw it back all over you. So you can angle it down so that it's not blowing back on you, or if you're up near the street or something else where you don't want to be throwing it into the neighbor's house or whatever. You control the back and forth with your lever right here. One lever here controls the wheel. One lever here controls the blower, and they are independent of each other, so you can use one or the other. But when you have them both down, you can let go with your left hand, so while you're blowing, you can control both the side to side or the front to up and down without having to stop and adjust it. These little yellow levers here, these are great. These are called steering levers. So the old style two-stage units, when you wanted to turn, you basically slid the machine back and forth. Not any longer. With Cub Cadet steering levels, as you're going along, if you want to turn to the right, you just slowly squeeze the right lever. The tighter you squeeze, the tighter the turn. Same thing with the left side. So there's no more having to manhandle it back or forth to get it to go. Last thing is we've got our light system here. Not only does this help you if you're out blowing at night, but more importantly, it helps other people see you. You're down near the road throwing snow. It's the middle of a storm. It's tough to see. This lets everybody know that you're there. These are on all the time that the engine's running.
Let's say winter's over. Is there anything I need to do to summarize something like this? Do I maintain my relationship with you? Should I call you? Do you pick it up to summarize it? Or is this just a machine where you just put stable in it and put it away?
Okay, so we do offer a service for people that like to have their normal maintenance done. Not only do you want to take care of making sure that the fuel is stabilized or drained out of the system, there is engine oil that needs to be changed on a yearly basis. So we do offer a system to our customers that, you know, we give them free pickup and delivery, get it in, get it maintained, so you're set and ready to go for the next year. But there really isn't a lot that needs to be done that the typical customer couldn't do themselves. And as a dealer, we're happy to take you through, show you that, and make sure you're comfortable with how that works. We do it both at the time of sale, but also we do it at the time of need. So 6 months later, when it's time to put this away, now you're like, oh wow, what did Ralph say? You simply come back into the dealership, we'll take you through a model on the floor, and we'll walk you through what needs to get done.
Cool, good stuff. All right, guys, that's the beauty of the My Dealer Direct experience. I just was up late one night, decided that I needed a good snowblower, saw the Cub, ordered it with one click. A few days later, here's Ralph. It's in my driveway, ready to go, gassed up, and you just gave me a complete overrun of the unit, right?
Now all we have to do is wait for snow.
Yes, unfortunately. I hope there's not that much snow this year, but it will be fun with this because I can't wait to try out this 3-stage. So, Ralph, what's the name of your business?
Ralph Helm Incorporated. We have dealerships located in Elgin, Illinois, and Crystal Lake, Illinois.
Cool, good stuff. All right, you guys, check it out.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.